Hello there, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for July 17th. We are going to start out with the biggest ETF in the world, the SPY. We really haven't had any big dark pool prints at all. A couple of real-time prints. Yesterday we had one at 340 cents. So that's why today I'm going to be bullish above 360. Going to be bearish. Oop, we just dropped below actually. 299.80. Yeah, going to be bearish below there for a retracement trade down to 299.11. That's really this 8 EMA area, right? If we drop below the 4, usually we go right down to the 8. That's going to be a brick wall of support, at least the first time. If it can't hold there and test it again, then look out below. That is bearish momentum. So E-minis up, just went below my 3,750 level and is doing that retracement trade as well. Let's see. Yeah, see that? Even yesterday we came right down to it and bounced today. The more times it goes there, the less buyers will show up. So keep watching that 8 exponential moving average. Put it on every chart you have. Bullish above 13.13. We had pre-market volume 30.10.25 to 30.12.50. All right, let's go to the Russell. The Russell's been pretty tight. Yesterday, today will be bullish above 156.20, bearish below 155.25. The QQQs, we're going to be bullish above 193.60 and bearish below 193. That's a big level. Oil futures, whoa, that was a huge trade on the downside yesterday. Let me just show you that chart today. So we are, just had a pretty big volume spike. Hold on. Oh yeah, really large volume spike. Bigger than the one previously. And yeah, we're always going to be bullish above the pivot. And here's a Camarilla pivot above there. There's room to go. So bullish above 58.50. I went to the next big level to avoid any kind of shakeout. So if that's buying that just came in, we should break above 58.50. But if it's selling, look out below. I'm going to be bearish below 57.75, giving it a little bit of room, right? So if I draw a couple lines, you'll see like right here and right here. Okay, that's definitely going to be areas to watch for the oil futures. Gold futures, bullish above 1407 and and bearish below 1399. It's kind of getting tight here on this daily chart. Yeah, so if we do break below this 1400 level, there's a lot of room, all right, to go down, and we really need to break above this 8 EMA, room to go up. However, we did have some prints on GDX, which I'll go over in just a second. But let's go to Bank of America. Yeah, bank earnings. They've been coming in. Oh, they've been up and down. You can see Goldman Sachs, they like their earnings. JP Morgan, they like their earnings. Wells Fargo, they did not like their earnings. Not that much volume pre-market, so let's focus on the volume. BAC, bullish above 29.20. Okay, that's really key. That's above the 8 EMA. And I'm going to be bearish below 28.50. Yeah, so that's a pretty wide range again. So bullish above here and really bearish below here. We'll see how the stock trades, and we'll see if we do get any prints. But did you see Ericsson? That got killed. Totally hammered. We're going to be bullish only above 920 for a retracement trade back up to this 4. Yeah, if we could break back above this 200 really powerful moving average, then I could see a retracement. However, I'm going to be bearish below 887. Look out below. In fact, look at this weekly chart. Yeah, there's nothing but air until we get down here. So don't try to bottom fish these things. You know, if you look at the weekly chart, it's been climbing a mountain, which means institutions are in it. A lot of times institutions like to sell the second day. So look out. Yeah, they could be selling tomorrow. Tomorrow would be the second day after earnings. Yeah, unless we see a big, massive buy print and we do go above it. Other than that, watch those levels. C, S, X also got hammered. Earnings. Gap down. How are we going to trade this? Well, I do like my trend trade. You watch this after the first 15 minutes the market is open. So that would be 9:45 Eastern. If it can climb above the 15 EMA, it's an exponential moving average, which is green. Lime, slime green on my chart. Yeah, if it can climb and close above that strong after the first 15 minutes, then it's usually a drop and pop scenario. Yeah, but if it can't, it's usually a drop and drop down more. Yep, that's anything that gaps in the morning big. I love that trend trade. We do have support at 72.50, so that's why I am bearish below 73.50 with my last target being right at those two big moving averages, that 200 SMA. I believe everybody has that on their chart. But I bet you didn't have the 161 EMA on your chart. Look at that. That's in silver. I originally put this moving average on my chart for commodities, gold. But guess what? It's good for everything. So, yeah, put that on 161 EMA in silver. It went right to it, and computers are loaded to buy and sell on it. It's really, really good. All right, let's go to GDX. GDX bullish above 26, 27. Yeah, we had a big print yesterday on GDX at 26.12. Yeah, so if we can break above it, you can see every time we've gone up there, we've had sellers come in. So if we can, that would be bullish. If not, we're going to be bearish below 25.85. All right, let's go to ACB, cannabis. We had a lot of market on close prints yesterday. Thank you so much to the traders that sent me emails on that. We did see that in boot camp. Yep, my traders did spot that. Massive market on close prints. Highly unusual. We normally really don't pay attention to market on close prints. But when they come in like this, holy cow, 2 million, 2 million, 2, 2, 2, 1. Whoa, 716. That's the magic number. In fact, I'm going to put that in here. Dark pool, 716, massive MOC. Market on close. So we're going to be bullish above 728. If that was buying at the end of the day, yeah, we should be going up big time. If that was selling, we'll be going down big time. Bearish below 707. Facebook had a very interesting print yesterday. Yeah, let me show you that while I got you. Okay, so here's the print. You tell me what's going on here. 700,000 at 203. Mind you, the market was trading at 203.44, 203.45. Late buy print, right? But we didn't even go down to 203. Look at yesterday's low of the day, 203.10. So this was obviously a really late print from Monday. Yeah, it's kind of illegal, but they do get away with it. So we're going to be bullish above 204.40. We're already above that print. I'm only going to be bearish if we go below that. Use that as a marker. Bearish below 202.80. But guess what else we got yesterday? A very large, unusual print on an ETF that doesn't trade that much volume. Oh, yeah. It only trades like 100,000 and like 300 to 500 on a really good day. And yesterday, we get this massive print on FDN. Look, I'm going to show you that as well. 149.41. Yeah, 1 million into market sweep. That's an aggressive trade. So we definitely want to watch this. It's just not a great trading vehicle. All right, it's not great. Liquidity is not good. The options, I don't even think it has options, but There's so many great ways you can trade it. Any stock within the holdings. So if it does start to go up, FDN, and stays above 149.41, right? Then you pick one of the strong top holdings. Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, CRM, PayPal, Google, ePay, BRSN, and VEV. Yeah, whichever one is strong, that's the one you go long, or that has good options. Yeah, you got to pick that. Or if it's weak, you pick the weaker guy. But because we had that crazy print on Facebook, and it is one of the top holdings, and I know that the options are pretty good, I like that one. So watch Facebook. All right, let's go to AMD. We had a big print on that one yesterday, almost 500,000 at 34.17. We're going to be bullish above 34.25. And we're going to be bearish below 33.80. That is a retracement trade once again. If we break below the 4, down to the 8. Okay, let's go to MU, Micron. Micron had a really big print yesterday, 900,000 at 43.14. Going to be bullish above 43.50. And we're going to be bearish below 43 for Micron. That's a retracement trade back down to the 8 EMA. Qualcomm, yeah, in the news. This is a long-term holding for me. I bought it after it got crushed. It's always a good time to buy a long-term holding. Got to be a good company with a decent dividend. Now, it got a nice pop today. And watch this 80 level. There are sellers lined up on the book. I'm going to show you right here. Oops. 79, 95, and 80. You can see, yeah, this is where the institutions do all their orders in this ECN book. We have the ARCA book and the NASDAQ book viewer, which is also the Instanet, the iNet. NASDAQ took over iNet. And this is where all the big guys hide their trades. And if you don't have this, you are trading blind. But I don't mind looking it up for you every morning and telling you where these guys are. So that's where they are. That's why we're going to be bullish above 80.20. Yeah, I want to see these guys get executed. Yeah, sell their stock and for it to move even higher. So that's why I picked that level. Going to be bearish below 79 for a retracement trade back down to earth. Yeah, when I say earth, yeah. 77.50 area. I mean, wherever this 4 EMA is, that's going to be support. It does move. But I just picked 77.50 as my last target. XLV. Massive print on the healthcare ETF. Really big. 2.3 million. It's just not every day we get a big, massive print like that. Yeah, check it out. 92.37. This is my live Vol Pro software into market sweep. That's aggressive. Buying or selling? Well, we could guess, but let's not do that. Let's just watch. Yeah, I'm going to be bullish above 92.80. So if it's buying yesterday, okay, if it's buying, we should clearly within the next couple days go above this 8 EMA and rock it. But if it's selling, look out below. So there are beautiful trades on both sides. Now, you can trade the ETF. I think that's pretty good, actually, with the options. Or you can pick one of these lovely top holdings. I'm not a big fan of that. It's kind of like playing Russian roulette. You never know if a drug like J&J baby powder, something might happen. Or Pfizer, they have a lot of drugs. Merck, Abbott. I'd rather trade the ETF itself. That's definitely the less dangerous way. And the print is on the ETF. So, yeah, I definitely got my eye on this one. I'm going to take this. Now, you could strangle this going out a month. I like that also. I'm going to look up some trades today for the boot campers. Yeah, maybe we'll put on a strangle today on this. Let me just make a note. Yeah, that could be a really good one. Going out a month. And then we add, yeah, going in further. Closer strike, closer expiration once they're done with that splash, right? So I love it. Let's see. UAL had earnings, but I didn't have volume this morning, so I'm taking this off the list. But I hope you guys got Delta, right? We had those massive prints on Jets And yeah, Delta's been a huge winner. Watch this at 63.50 level today. It's just riding on the 4 EMA, and I'm just been rolling my options up, trying not to peg the top and to avoid exititis. So there you have it. Those are my trade setups for today. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.